Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, Royal Bafokeng Platinum starting feasibility of 30 megawatt solar power plant. Strong investment demand sustained platinum in the fourth quarter of 2020, and Royal Bafokeng Platinum engaged in tailings concentrator conveyor projects. Royal Bafokeng Platinum is conducting a study into the economic feasibility of building a 30 megawatt modular photovoltaic solar energy plant at the BRPM mine.
With renewable energy, one of the projects we are busy with in the feasibility study is for a PV plant to be located at BRPM mine. It'll be a modular plant up to potential capacity of about 30 megawatts of PV power. It is in feasibility study, which we intend to conclude towards the end of this year and early 2022. So that is certainly a project which, from an environmental perspective and to limit our exposure to Eskom and to take our peak off our daily demand of Eskom power.
For the third consecutive quarter, platinum remained in a deficit at 170,000 ounces in the fourth quarter of 2020, as strong demand in the automotive, industrial and jewelry sectors and sustained strong investment demand for platinum outstripped constrained supply.
The 2020 demand was down by 7%, as one would expect, mostly the impact of the coronavirus, but supply was down a massive 17%. And that's given us a record deficit in 2020 of 932,000 ounces. And I think the corona impact as mines shut down to prevent the spread of the disease was around about 400,000 ounces. And all of the rest was as a result of the converter plant. So we had a significant deficit in 2020. What we saw through quarter four was that strong demand came back from automotive, jewelry and industrial segments.
Royal Bafokeng Platinum has tailings, concentrator and overload conveyor projects underway, which were aimed at achieving organic growth as well as long-term sustainability.
I will take you through our current project pipeline, which encompasses project work for value-accretive organic growth as well as the projects required for the long-term sustainability of the business. These include the Mesevi tailings facility, the BRPM tailings facility, the Mesevi concentrator upgrade to 180,000 tonnes per month. All key construction works required for tailings deposition at the Mesevi tailings facility have been completed at a cost of 112 million rands. This expansion extends the life of the facility by an additional 13 years. The BRPM TSF progressed well. However, due to the COVID disruptions, the project has been delayed from quarter 4 2021 to quarter 1 of 2022.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.